afternoon, doctor. My name is Tan Wee and I'm a manager in this group. And today we want to present about the Mcmc Tower energy consumption. We are Group A. The name is Thunder. And now this is our organization chart. My name is Tan Wee and I am the manager in this group. And this first is the Chief Zarasi. There is responsibility in human resource, and then is Dagesh. Dagesh is responsibility in financial analysis, and then is Demisha. Demisha is responsibility in secretary, and then lastly is Dojinsan. He responsibility in technician.
Next, I will present our organization's energy policy, a framework that reflects our commitment to sustainable energy practices, regulatory compliance, and continuous improvement in energy performance. The first point would be energy efficiency. Our primary goal is to enhance energy efficiency across all operations. This involves minimizing energy consumption and ensuring responsible use of natural resources. These efforts are central to our mission of sustainability and environmental responsibility. Next is regulatory compliance. We strictly adhere to all legal and energy-related requirements relevant to our operations. Compliance is non-negotiable as it ensures we operate within ethical and environmental standards. Furthermore, we have energy objectives and targets. To drive meaningful progress, we set measurable energy objectives and targets. These goals are continuously reviewed and supported by actionable plans. Next would be resource allocation. We recognize the importance of adequate resources in achieving our energy goals. This includes personnel and financial support, dedicating to maintaining and enhancing our energy management system. The next point would be procurement and design. Energy efficiency is prioritized in our procurement and design processes. By selecting energy efficient products and integrating efficiency into our operational activities, we actually aim to reduce our overall energy footprint. The most important one would be training and awareness as well. Our employees play a critical role in achieving our energy objectives. Through proper training and awareness programs, we empower our team to actively contribute to energy efficiency and sustainability goals.
And now I will present the part of baseline data year 2019 of Mcmc Tower. So we can see for this picture shows at the electricity energy consumption. In 2019, the total energy consumption will be 3,167 and 107 kilowatt. So the percentage is 52.63%. So the higher monthly energy consumption is at July 2019, and the lower monthly energy consumption will be at February 2019, and the average is 267 and 182 kilowatt. So this is present about the high consumption in July could be attributed to increased cooling demands or higher activity levels, and the low consumption in February may reflect reduced activity during the month, possibility due to holidays or external factors. So for the energy consumption by sections, we can see the total energy usage is categorized into different function sections as follows. The sections A, HU is consumed 456 and 456 kilowatt, accounting for 40 and 41% of total usage. And the second is section B, lighting system, that is consumed 244 and 608 kilowatt, they're representing 7.72%. And the section C is lift, that is usage 11,184 kilowatt, a small share of 0.35%. And the section D is the data center that has the highest consumption, that's using 1,040x 449 kilowatt and usage 33.10%. So the section E is LED board that consumes 274 and 579 kilowatt, which is 8.67%. And the section F is about the plug load, account for 179 and 88 kilowatt, representing 5.66%. And the section G is other, they will be consumed by 952 and 343 kilowatt, accounting for 30.08% of the total.
This slide presents the energy consumption data for Mcmc Tower in 2020. The bar graph shows monthly energy consumption July, with as the peak at 250,713 kilowatt hour and February as the lowest at 220,051 kilowatt hour. The annual consumption reached 2,850,390 kilowatt hour, reflecting a significant 10% decrease compared to the previous year. The pie chart breaks down consumption by section, revealing section D, likely housing data centers as the largest consumer, accounting for 47.37% of the total energy used. Importantly, section D's consumption also decreased, contributing to the overall 10% reduction achieved in 2020. This indicates that energy-saving measures were effectively implemented across all the sections of the tower. These findings emphasize the need to target energy-saving measures in high-consumption areas like the data center, which could lead to substantial energy optimization and a reduced carbon footprint for the building. Moving forward, strategies like regular audits and equipment upgrades will be implemented to further optimize energy usage and promote sustainability within the Mcmc Tower.
The next I want to present is about the SAU data and chart. Then we can see the chart. I have put the 2019 and 2020. Then we can see the difference. We have success to decrease 10% the energy consumption in 2020. So in 2019, total electricity consumption was 3,167 and 107 kilowatt, with session D having the highest usage at 1,040 and 449 kilowatt, and session F is the lowest at 179 and 88 kilowatt. So in 2020, total consumption reduced to 2,850 and 390 kilowatt, and 10% to decrease from 2019. So session A record the highest usage at 410 and 810 kilowatts. So while session F remained the lowest at 161 and 179 kilowatt. So from October 2020 to August 2020, the total consumption was 721 and 992 kilowatt. Average is 240 and 464 kilowatt per month. So this is revealing a trend of reduced energy usage due to efficiency improvement.
So for the part of ESM, there is the establish a sustainable energy management system, because there was the enhance the energy efficiency and implement the structured energy saving policy. So this system is using for reduce the energy consumption, those the better management. They will can save the 137,872 kilowatt hour per year. Maybe is 5% from the total consumption. The second is replace the T5 fluorescer bulb with the T5 LED. This improve the lighting efficiency, those retrofitting the energy saving in lighting system, because the T5 fluorescer is 28 watt, but the LED just 12 watt. So they can save 7,857 kilowatt hour per year. And the last is LED billboard operation type optimization. They will minimize the unnecessary energy use by optimizing the operational hour. So they can save the 270,720 kilowatt hour per year, maybe 10.59% from the total consumption. So the total saving is 406,449 kilowatt hour per year, and the total consumption is 2,557,438 kilowatt hour per year. So they can save the 15.89% per year.
Good morning everyone. Today I'd like to highlight the significant improvements made to our HVAC systems and building operations, focusing on efficiency, sustainability and also proactive management. Firstly, we upgrade our equipment by replacing older, less efficient HVAC units with cutting the edge, high efficiency models, and including the variable refrigerant flow systems. These systems adapt to demand, ensuring energy is used only when needed. It's particularly additionally, we install high efficiency chillers and boilers, further reducing energy consumption while maintaining our optimal performance. Next, we optimize the HVAC system's operation by fine-tuning controls to minimize energy waste. Through the implementation of demand-controlled ventilation, we enable the system to adjust our airflow dynamically based on the occupancy, striking the perfect balance between comfort and also energy savings. Another major steps forward was the implementation of a comprehensive building automation system of BAS. These centralized platforms allows us to monitor and control HVAC, lighting and other systems in real time. With automated scheduling, HVAC settings now align seamlessly with occupancy patterns and time of the day, eliminating unnecessary energy use, improve the HVAC systems. Lastly, we have enhanced equipment maintenance through optimized schedules. A preventive maintenance program ensures that regular inspection. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
For conclusion, to report a significant 10% reduction in our total electricity consumption from 2019 to 2020, down from 3,167,107 kilowatt-hour to 2,850,390 kilowatt-hour. While Section D remains a major energy user, its consumption decreased substantially last year. Importantly, the monthly trend from August to October 2020 demonstrates the effectiveness of our energy-saving initiatives. These results show promising progress in optimizing energy use across all sections. Thank you.